Hello guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in QuickBooks Online. When you log into QuickBooks Online, the dashboard will display the flowchart that guides you through the entire invoicing process, from creating estimates to collecting payments. To create an invoice in QuickBooks Online, go to the left sidebar and click on New. Under Customers, choose Invoice. Click on the Customer drop-down menu, and select a customer. QuickBooks will automatically input all the details you've saved for the selected customer. Verify the customer email and billing address. The terms specify the number of days within which your customer has to settle the payment for this invoice. You can select a custom invoice date, and QuickBooks will update the due date automatically. Now select products and services for which you've created the invoice. Select the quantity for each. You can input a custom message on the invoice for your customer's reference. Select discount % if applicable and input the rate. Click on Save and Close. And there you have it, guys. An easy, efficient way to create an invoice in QuickBooks Online. For more tips and tricks related to QuickBooks, subscribe to our channel.